Fear is the most powerful emotion in human beings. It doesn't matter how much you know. It doesn't matter how much you know how to do it. If you have fear, you're not going to do it. The mind goes blank because your body is engaged in fear. I repeat this. Your mind goes blank because your body is engaged in fear. If you know anything about body chemistry, you know that when adrenaline hits you, your body goes into fight or flight mode. So basically your head is cut off from your body, literally. Adrenaline cuts your head from your body. And now your body's ready to jump. So either fight or flight or freeze. You need to learn how to manage, arrest, and transform your fears. And until you learn to deal with those uncomfortable emotions, until you learn how to know how to transform them into something useful, performance becomes very, very difficult, if not impossible. There are two causes to fear. There's two only. First one is an unrealistic expectation about people. So you think people expect a lot from you, but that is not true. Remember, that is a perception. People don't care as much as you think. People don't care, guys. Now, the second cause of fear is far more important and far more difficult to get rid of. And this one you wanna watch closely, is a negative view about yourselves. You view yourselves negatively. You know, not good looking enough, I don't have the right clothes, I don't have the right haircut. So if you're a perfectionist, you think something is wrong with you, all of that creates a lot of fear. So you need to go in there and unlearn that pattern. And learning is pretty easy. Your mind accepts learning very quickly. New ideas, you absorb very quickly. Now, on the other hand, unlearning is very hard to do. Very fucking hard to do. Real learning is unlearning. To de-learn an old behavior, it takes a lot, you know, because it threatens your identity. It threatens who you are today. If you've been eating French fries your entire life, and I say now, you know what, you're only gonna eat carrots now. Your body doesn't accept that very quickly. What your body is doing and your mind is doing is actually following a pattern that's been there for a while. And it gets deeper, guys, it gets deeper. And that's the beginning of the process of de-learning. I question your patterns. I start by questioning them. And I introduce what I call reasonable doubt. In order to debunk the pattern, in order to de-learn, you need to find the evidence that the opposite is true. The only thing that's stopping you is fear. You just need that evidence. See, and as soon as you start piling up that evidence, and piling it up, and piling it up, you will unlearn.